Nakasway na mo mag-work from home o wala pa? Or currently nag-work from home mo karon? Kung basig makarelate mo ano? Hi, I'm Luwid, usa ka work from home, and I'm gonna show it to you today how it's like.
Ang pagmata, dili lisod, dili sayon. Pero ang kahayag sa adlaw kay magpahinumdum na kita magpadayon. Human inom tubig ug pangihi. Sugod na kita pag-andam sa panrabaho. Simple lang. Dili kailangan magsuot o maligo. Dili kailangan manudlay o magpagwapo. Sa andam lang ang atong utok, automatic man na. Atong kamot mudok-dok.
Hi guys, so sa'yo pala sa buntag na natay issue no. Pag abot pala na ako na naday kanang urgent ng issue, and then it turns out dili day issue na mo but issue sa client. So wala lang, nabalik dito ang job instead sa mo. Ngani ni siya amo i-insert na mong breakfast while nag-work. Though naraman na mo if naman may timer, so nara na mo if ako'y break or daily. But usually amo ko rin siya i-insert.
The breakfast, dili kailangan ikomplikado. Itlog plus sweet bread plus coffee. Taog na kay non di na ta magpubusog actually. Because to start our day, we just need enough energy.
Nakakaon.
Back to work. This is where I go full focus. Sabayan ako og musika para lahos-lahos. Ang mga work from home klase-klase kay lagi tungod walay makabantay dunganon sa uban ang multi-clients, which would affect the productivity and quality. Pero tips na ako ninyo, don't do it. Focus lang one at a time, then give your all, ika nga. Magbunga ra inyo kahagop sa saktong nga amo. The lunch. To me, morning ang meal ang pinaka-importante. But I prefer fish, chicken, and a lot of veggie. No need to be fancy. Back to work. Expect not every day will be smooth. But that's the fun part. Kaya it challenges yourself that at the end of the day, eventually mo-workout ra nimo di ay.
So, pahuman na ta. Create naman ta o report.
Sa wakas, wala ray issue. So sa'yo rata na human. Siyempre, kailangan po ta maglihok-lihok para mag-burn out ang extra calorie nato. And that includes mga error. So I let Yogi and Sachi go out and sometimes we walk outside. But not this time. Then I would use this time para mag-check sa mga isda and shrimps. And kailangan sa mamisbis ug magatiman sa tanom. During this moment, I'll get my peace. There will be a lot of exploding ideas and time to hone my skills. The dinner, the last meal of the day, literally pang final na kaon, and that's enough. Because I believe what Steve Jobs once said, stay hungry, stay foolish. Health is wealth. Remember, nagstay ako sa house all day, and we are expected to have at least 10k steps a day. So, kailangan ko maglakaw-lakaw. Para masulit, tanaw to salida aron malingaw. Yes, dali lang mag-work from home. But tungod na arata sa balay, na ay extra time. And possibly mo go beyond ka sa imong limit. And because of that, prone ta sa unhealthy lifestyle. Like, psychologically, exhausted imong mind. Physically, you tend to forget to do any physical activities. And then socially, masacrifice imong connection because natuyok ra imong kalibutan sa balay and work. Then emotionally, puro work ra na imong gibuhat and tinuod ba nga nalipay ka sa imong work. So what I'm trying to say, keep it balanced. What is money if na-sacrifice imong PPSE? So, sayon na siya if dili nimo lisod-lisoron, if that makes sense.